Hey guys, how are we doing today? Today's tutorial is going to be about my new stitch called the brownie stitch. That's spelt with two E's on the end instead of an I and an E. I thought I would do a little bit something creative, something different. So anyways, without further ado, I first want to just ask if any of you that are not subscribers to my channel to please subscribe to it and be sure to hit the bell so this way you're notified for any new things that I'm going to be sharing. I would greatly appreciate it. You guys, you're very supportive as it is now, and I just appreciate any future subscribers. Alright, well, thank you so much. Hang on one second. Sorry for that brief interruption, but I'm going to go ahead and start to show you my new brownie stitch. Hopefully you like this texture. I think it was really a neat way of putting the two stitches together to create this really neat mechanism. Okay, just use any scrap yarn that you have on available. Just be sure to use size hook 3.75 millimeter. And of course you'll need a pair of scissors and of course a yarn needle. Alright, without further ado, we'll go ahead and we'll start. Be sure to do a slip knot onto the hook. Okay, next we'll go ahead and do a chain 15. Once we get that chain 15, we'll go ahead and do a slip stitch in the first chain. Okay, we'll go ahead and we'll start by going into the second chain from the hook. And we'll do this by doing a single crochet, which is simply by inserting your hook, pulling the yarn up, yarn over, and pull through both loops. That's your single crochet for any newbies. Our triple crochet, which is going to go into the next stitch, is simply by doing two wraparounds the actual needle itself. I'll go ahead and show you real quick. 1, 2. Make sure you have 2 over there. Okay, simply hold on to it, go into the next stitch, pull the yarn through, yarn over, go through the first 2. Now you have 3 on the hook, yarn over, pull through the next 2. Now you have 2 on the hook, yarn over, pull through the last 2. Okay, that is your triple crochet. Next we'll go into the next stitch and do a single crochet. And then the next we'll do a triple crochet. And we'll repeat this process until the end of the round. Okay, we're down here at the end of this row here. We're going to go ahead and do the single crochet. And after we do that, we're going to go ahead and do a chain 3. That's going to be your first triple crochet. I don't know what I'm doing here. My bad. Trying to be ahead of myself, I guess. Okay, the next stitch we're going to do a single crochet. Now in that single crochet, it'll be right in the top of the triple from the previous row. We're going to go ahead and do a triple crochet into the top of the single crochet from the previous row. Alright, we're going to repeat again by doing a single right in the top of the triple crochet from the previous round. Okay, we'll just keep doing this process until we get the end of the round. Okay, as you can see here is a really neat texture. What I did was I did the triple crochet in that very last one. Now I'm going to bring it up a little closer and hopefully you can see how there's little texture to the thing. If I can talk correctly. I love how it bumps up. Okay, we're going to do one more round. We'll simply do a chain 1 this time. Turn our work, go into that first stitch and do a single crochet this time. Then do a triple crochet in the next stitch. Single crochet in the next, which is right directly above the triple crochet from the previous row. Alright, now a triple crochet into the next. Single crochet. And then the next is going to be a triple crochet. Okay, well, we'll continue this until the end of the row. Okay, as you can see here, it really is coming together. Isn't this a really pretty sight? I love the texture. Well, I hope you have fun just as much as I did. Please subscribe to my channel, and of course, tap the bell so this way you're able to be notified for my next projects that I have coming up. Alright, well, thank you so much for your time, and I will talk to you soon. Alright, thank you. Bye-bye.